Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the LED light assembly cover in this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open both refrigerator doors and use the small flathead screwdriver to depress the retaining tabs to release the old LED light cover, if still intact. To install the new LED light assembly cover, align the side of the cover where the 3 retaining tabs are more closely positioned with the rear edge of the opening. Then snap the cover into place. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.